Hi DIY families, I'm Claire and welcome back to HTVRONT's channel. So what if you could give all your favorite belongings a cozy fall makeover? From your outfit to your coasters, your pillow, even your phone case. Imagine them all having a same cozy fall style. So today I'm gonna show you how to create the ultimate one and only fall inspired set using just a heat press machine. Trust me, it's way easier than it looks. I hope this video sparked some cozy fall project ideas for you. Heat pressing is such a fun and quick way to personalize your world and bring those seasonal vibes to life. If you tried any of these at home, please don't forget to share and tag HTVRONT on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. I can't wait to see all your inspiring creations. So don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next week's project. Thanks so much for watching, stay cozy, and I'll see you next time.